Can't believe they never put me on varsity when I was in high school. Fuck it, 420 baby. Time to blaze up. What the fuck is 420? Why the fuck are you knocking on my door? What do you want? I got a big ass package out here. Big ass package. Ugh. Time to hit the fucking slopes. Fuck yeah. Cool transition. Anyways, guys, yeah, today, as you guys can see by the title, we have an FTP unboxing. So I got the FTP Colt bike. It was absolutely mandatory that I acquire that piece. You guys know I've been a fan of FTP. As you guys can also see, I already got the FTP Polo Bear hoodie in a navy. I would have liked to get multiple of these, but I was so concerned about getting this for my personal collection that I needed to make sure that I acquired it. So I bought this first and this second because I didn't know how many they were going to make. However, they did actually have quite a few available. I don't know if they're still available on their site. If they are, I'll put like a little screenshot on the screen and you guys can go acquire it in the links down below. That being said, I did hit up some individuals. I hit my brother who used to ride BMX and I actually used to ride with him. He's a lot better than me, so he said he's going to put it together tomorrow. And then my cousin's husband is super filthy at BMXing. His name is Christopher Pierce. I'm waiting to hear back whether he can actually put it together and ride it today. And then my friend Glenn said that he would be down. Glenn, for those of you guys that do not know, if you guys watch No Jumper, you may have seen him. He is another individual from Tacoma that has a No Jumper interview. Anyways, it's hot as shit in here, and I don't know if the light is going to reflect off my spectacles, so I'm going to take those bitches off, or I just did take those bitches off. And then we'll get into the unboxing portion where I'll show you guys some of the pickups that I got, and later on in the video, we will take this thing, get it put together, and you guys will see it used for what it was meant to be used for. Anyways, I have, you know, quite a few packages, which is already unpackaged, which I actually have 2 of those. Whatever is in there. Alright, so this first piece is actually a collaboration with DC, and this is actually a super sick-ass jacket. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really fuck with this piece. Like, FTP DC branding around the ribcage region, and then it has FTP actually stitched in to the jacket itself. Super fucking filthy. I actually have 2 of these. I'll probably be selling one on Robotus and Poppy. For those of you guys that do not know, Robotus and Poppy is a resale page where I resell Supreme, FTP, Palace, and I also run raffles so that way you guys can actually have a chance to win some of these goods for stupid cheap. For example, I just raffled out the Illegal Business Controls America Supreme deck, and the boy Active 94 won that for $10 freaking dollars. I feel like this is also going to be that same jacket. No, it's not. This is... Oh, I don't know why I like looked at it and I had to process for a second what this was, but this is the FTP all over print bear. I have another one of these that I will not be showing off today. Well, I should be showing off another one, but I have a third one that I shouldn't be showing off. Yo, the bear's actually super filthy. This is actually really fucking nice. That's dope. I was actually going to sell all these, but I might end up keeping this one. As you guys know, I have a little bit of a teddy bear collection. And of course, thanks to my boy Carlos, I have the original FTP bear with the little FTP micro logo tee. Then I got this t-shirt right here. This is for my personal collection. I did really want a black. However, by the time that I got to going, I put all the tees in one cart. The black sold out. I was pretty sad about that. But as you can see, you got fuck the population champions. You got the little middle finger trophy right here. It says worldwide fuck everyone, and then it says Death Series FTP 2019. Super sick. Definitely glad to have this in the collection. Then we have whatever the fuck's in this bag. Okay, so this is the other jacket that I already showed you guys. I got some sticks. Ooh boy! As you can see, we got the Polo Bear sticker right there, and then of course the FTP logo sticker in a green and navy. This is from Palace. Speaking of Palace and Supreme, I have a ton of shit to unbox from them. I probably have like 20 to 30 grand worth of Supreme that I need to unbox. So if you guys would like to see that unboxing, make sure you smash that like button down below. Alright, I'm way too fucking hyper. Anyways, we got a box, which means we need the black blade. Did I only get 1 teddy bear? I thought for sure I got 2 teddy bears. There better be a fucking teddy bear in this package. Where's my knife? Fuck it. We are going to use the Supreme axe. Yeah, looking like a scene out of The Shining or something. Here's Johnny. Red rum, red rum. Alright, anyways. Bam, there we go. There she blows. We got the other little teddy bear right there. We got this sticker that says don't piss off me, so do not stand on me and piss off of me. Just kidding, it says don't piss me off. Anyways, we have this right here which says choose your fate. I should have a choose your fate sticker in here, which I do, I already see it. Another FTP Champions tee, that one will be on Robotus and Poppy. And then of course we have Yo, these tags are way sicker. They increased the tag quality. As you guys can see, you have a little sewn in tag now. All the tees used to just have the FTP printed. So it says FTP made in USA. Right here, as you can see, it has choose your fate. Fuck the population. Super sick ass tee as well. I wish I would have acquired more tees, but sadly by the time I got this and the bike, some of the stuff was already starting to sell out and the colorways and sizes were getting limited, and it just became very frustrating trying to get a couple items. If you guys were on the drop, you guys know there was some site lag. Honestly though, FTP is by far one of my favorite brands. I love this drop. I think this is one of the sickest drops they've had in quite some time. I'm also really excited to see them collaborate with Cole and actually create other things. I like to see them grow, and I like to see different pieces. Like for example, that FTP DC jacket is so fucking filthy. The thing that I think is really cool about FTP as opposed to other companies is FTP is like, it's like homies. If you ever go to their pop-ups, you know, like the people that all run FTP, it's like a small group of people. It's not like some big ass fucking brand. Like it doesn't feel so corporate. It just feels like homie shit. And all the people that fuck with FTP, like especially in LA, I don't know about other places around the country, but like especially in LA, it's like family. Like everyone goes there, everyone's just chill as fuck. Everyone's like super just like, I don't know, chill as fuck. Anyways, that's gonna be it for the unboxing. However, we do have to get this motherfucker right here unboxed and then put together. So I will do that and we will take you guys on a little adventure. I don't know where I'm going next, but we will see. Alright, so the homie Chris is cracking it open right now. Like, we're gonna see what tools we need, but it shouldn't be too much. Like, this is mostly a complete, so it should be good.
Oh yeah, no, this is nice. That's sexy shit right there. That's what I like. Oh, yeah. Oh damn! Look at this. Look at this. This is the old school mongoose shit right here. No, now we're looking good, dude. Yeah, I fucking like it. Dude, oh like, yeah. Oh, put this outside.
Fuck that thing.
Fuck that thing, dude.
I'd rather just wear rubber bands around my fucking pants.
All right, I think this thing is about to fucking be nice. I'm psyched.
Yeah, I'm glad you're stoked on it.
Yeah, dude. High quality welds. Nah, it's a good looking bike, man.
And just for those of you guys that don't know, this individual knows a lot more about bikes than I would ever claim to know. Like, this dude is a savage, a fucking local legend when it comes to BMXing, and he knows actually people that ride for Colt. Yeah, see the FTP branding?
Nice looking bike, dude. So how much would this be?
This was $600.
$600?
Yeah.
And is it available like right now?
That's actually, I don't know. That's a good question.
Go buy it?
They are currently sold out, sadly.
Yeah. Yeah, I actually ran a set of these Colt Forks, the 20-inchers, for like 2 or 3 years. And this Colt Sim is freaking gangster shit too.
Look at the FTP.
Oh, nice. Integrated shit.
Right
hell yeah. Oh, damn, that's sexy. Yeah, that's a fucking sexy ass 26. I had a Mongoose California Pro. And it looked just like that in the back. Chrome ollie. Almost all of this rear triangle looked exactly the same with this big ass dropout. Everything. Yeah. Dude, that is nostalgic like you would not fucking believe, man. Yeah, well, no, so it has like a good mix of like the old school with the integrated, and then the gussets and the integrated head tube shit. I'm so used to a road bike. Like right now, that's all what I have, and I'm like, oh really? I kind of miss like. Yeah. What kind of road bike? It's from a local company in Sacramento called City Bike Co. Yeah. So what is it like? It's kind of designed after like a leader bike. 6-speed or is it no speed? It's just yeah, it's meant to be like a fixie, but I just ride it freewheel. What do you prefer, riding trails or Oh, fucking trails, dude. Yeah, dirt. That's what like seems like most people out here fuck with. Yeah, end up, dude. That's a nice looking fucking stem. Stems are one of my favorite pieces of the bike. Damn, look at that fucking look. Yeah. Laid back, dude. Oh, it's got the FTP seat. That's cool, dude. No, that's how you know they made it. Yeah, facts. Yeah, fucking FTP seat, dude. Yeah. Nice. With the pivotal. And pivotal, too. Yeah, they really did a good job with this. Oh, yeah. Oh, I mean, look at the Colt on the gussets. That's gorgeous. The only thing left is to pump the tires, dial in these brakes, pump up the tires, yeah. It's good to go. Basically what we just did was we just straightened it out, and then we made the handlebars parallel with the forks, looking like hella clean. Yep. And the next clip will be some badass motherfucker, even the individual on it right now, or Glenn, riding this bitch. So let's get to it. Oh yeah, it's good. Check this out too. I didn't even show this off in the video yet, but you know what this is? That's their standout. There's a little gun bag made by FTP too.
Okay guys, so we are with the bro Sale. Now I was gonna have Glenn ride it, but Glenn has been busy lately, and sadly, yeah man, bro is like just been non-existent. He's ghost. So Sale's gonna ride it a little bit. He doesn't normally ride BMX that heavy, but he does do a little bit of everything, and he rides dirt bikes. So we're gonna have him just kind of ride around, and I'll film and show you guys some of the features of this bike. Now this bike is obviously not like necessarily meant for jumping. Look how fucking big it is. Most people would jump like a much smaller bike, like a 20-inch, but regardless, we're just gonna take it in the little bowl and show you guys this thing in action.
Sitting in the crib dreaming about Learjets and coops, the way Salt shoots and how to sell records like Snoop. I'm interrupted by a doorbell, 3:52. Who the hell is this? I gets up quick, cocks my shit, stop the dogs from barking, then proceed to walking. It's a face that I seen before. My nigga Sing, he used to sling on the 16th floor. Check it, I look deeper. Oh shit!
That was a little steep. Yo, it's 12 o'clock. Okay, so real quick, I was editing this video, I got to the end, and there was really no ending. There was also some confusion. Chris did not have time to write it. Glenn's been working all week, so they didn't have time to write it, which is why in the middle, when I say either Glenn or Chris will write it, neither of them wrote it. That would have been some pretty good footage. However, I did end up going to Pete's track with my brother, because I was going to have him jump it, but Pete's track was demolished. If you are from Tacoma, that's very, very sad. If you ride bikes and you live in Tacoma, you probably already know that, but I haven't been to Pete's track in years. I actually used to live right around there. Anyways, hopefully you guys liked the video. Make sure you smash that like button down below, especially if you want to see more FTP unboxings. I got a lot of love for FTP, and I really, really like this bike. I'm excited to actually make this one of my daily drivers. I will be putting some miles on this thing. If you guys want to see an edit, maybe in the future, I'll post something to Instagram or something like that. Maybe like a little montage of this bike being put to the test. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep it inside. Peace of fire.